If you've ever received a VCard file and wondered how to bring those contacts into Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import VCF or VCard files into Gmail using Google Contacts, step by step, so you can add all of your saved contacts in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you're moving contacts from your phone, another email account, or a backup file, and you want everything synced into your Google account. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to contacts.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Contacts, which is the place where Gmail stores and manages your contacts. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Gmail account where you want to import the contacts. Make sure you choose the correct account if you use more than one, because the contacts will be added to whichever Google account is active. Once you're on the Google Contacts page, look at the left-hand menu. You should see an option called Import. Go ahead and click on Import. This is the tool Google gives you for bringing in contacts from a file. After you click Import, a small window will appear asking you to select a file. Click Select File and then browse your computer for the VCard file you want to upload. The file usually ends in .vcf, which is the standard format for VCard contacts. Once you find the file, click it and then select Open. After the file is chosen, click Import to begin the upload process. Google Contacts will read the VCard file and add those contacts directly into your Gmail or Google Contacts account. Depending on how many contacts are inside the file, this may take just a few seconds. When it's done, your imported contacts should now appear in your contact list. You can scroll through to double check that everything came in correctly, and if needed, you can edit any contact details later from inside Google Contacts, and that's it. You've successfully imported a VCard file into Gmail. It's a fast and easy way to transfer contacts without having to enter them one by one. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.